Welcome all of you in the lesson number 66 for grade 2 mathematics, guys. What we are going to do and what we have done, I just revised your last class. We finished the chapter fraction by doing some exercise and we started shapes. Today we will discuss about the shapes also. We learned about the vertices and sides in the last class, and today I will revise that, and then we'll see the sides and the corners of different 2D shapes. So guys, the shapes are which we are studying, right, which we will study, that will be two-dimensional, 2D. Okay, I explained you about the vertices and the corners. Okay, what is vertex or what is vertex or corner, and I also explained you about the side. So guys, I tell you that every 2D shape is having a flat surface that's known as sides and a corner that known as vertex. Okay. The corner of any 2D shape is known as its vertex, and the flat surface of any 2D shape is known as the side. Wait for a while, please. So guys, I give you the example of this rectangle. I draw a rectangle, okay, and I check how many sides are there. So we can see this is one, this is on the bottom of that, okay. You can put anything on here. This is flat surface, this is the one side, this is side number two, and this is side number three, and this is side number four. So in that way, you know that there are four sides here. And if I talk about the corners, so you can see it when a one point, when a one line meet another line, when a one side meet another side. So the point at which these 2 points meet together is known as corner or vertex. We also call it vertex, right guys? So this is vertex or corner. So this is the line meeting here. So this is vertex number one. The second line meeting here from here. This is corner, and this is vertex number two. And here this line side three is meeting side two. So this is corner three, and this is corner four. So there are four corners, mean there are four vertices. Okay guys, when we talk about only one, we say it vertex. When we have more than one, like if we talk about corners, so we will say it vertices. Vertices. When we talk about only one corner, this is the corner, that means this is the vertex. And when we talk about all, more than one, so these all are vertices now, not vertex. Um, Let me check. Some students have problem in logging into the ID. Students, if you wait for a while, please let me reply them. Okay, guys. Now, I was telling you, if we talk about one corner, so we say it vertex, and when you talk about more than one corner, that says vertices. Okay. All right. Now we will see. I hope you know what is corner, what is vertex, and what is side. Okay. So corner is when where one side meets another side. That's known as corner. So we are going to learn about the 2D shapes today, how much sides they are having, how much vertices are they are going to have. So let me draw first shape that will be square. Okay, we are going to study, guys, today 2D shapes. There are different 2D shapes. 2D shapes means, guys, which have two dimensions. Two dimensions means which we can see by their height, length, or their width. Okay, so in 2D shapes I'm going to draw first a square. Guys, this is a square. Okay, we call this shape a square. This is square. A square is a 2D shape, guys, which have all, which have, you can see, all sides are equal in the square. Okay, and how many sides are there, how many edges are there, which we have to check it. So in the square, how many sides are there, I will check you with the help of this. Look here, guys, this is the first side, right? Let me change the color. Make it red. All right, guys, so how many sides are there? One. This is first side. Then this is second one. Two. Then this is third one, and only one side is left, that is on the top of it, and that is, so can you tell me how many sides does the square have, guys? How many sides does the square have?
Four.
Oh, very good. So I can say there are four sides square.
Four. لا هذا corner.
There are
Four.
four sides of the square, right, guys? There are four sides of a square. Okay, now we have to check the corner. Okay, I'm going to make it bullet so that you would know the important points. Let's suppose like this is, there are four sides of squares. Okay, now we need to check how many vertices are there or how many corners are there. Okay, so corners we can find, guys, look here, we have to check the corners. So this is the line meeting here, another line, so this is corner one. Here this line meeting this line, this is also the corner. Two, this is three, and this is four. So how many corners are there in square, guys? Yes, how many corners are there in
There
square?
are four sides of square. Sides of square. Four.
Very good, guys. So it is having four corners. So I will say there are four corners, means there are four vertices. There are four vertices in square.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right? There are 4 vertices, and that's mean 4 corners. So guys, in 2D shapes, this is, you should know how many sides does the square have. So you said 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices in the square? So you say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is something you should know, that the square has 4-sided and 4 vertices. Okay. Square has 4-sided and 4 vertices. And in square, all sides are equal to each other. In square shapes, all sides are equal to each other. This one equals to this, this, and this. All sides are equal to each other. So in a square, all sides are equal. These are the some important points which we write about a square. Okay. Now let's talk about a rectangle. Let's talk about rectangle. If I draw a rectangle here, look here guys. I need to change again black first. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle guys. Okay. It look like square, but you know what is the difference between square and rectangle? In rectangle, all sides are not equal. In rectangle, all sides are not equal. Let me check first. This is called as rectangle. I will write here rectangle. This is called as rectangle. So we will write here. This is rectangle. How many sides are there in rectangle? We will check. How many sides are there in rectangle? We will check first from here. Look here guys. This is 1. And this is 2. This is 3. Sorry. And it is 4. So guys, how many sides are there for rectangle?
Four.
Four.
There are four.
There are 4 sides of rectangle. You can see this is 1. This one is 1 side. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. So there are 4 sides of rectangle. Guys, don't need to write it. Okay. We will write it.
I know.
There are 4 sides of rectangle. Now, if I ask you how many corners are there or how many vertices are there, so you will check, sir. This is first. Let me ask, how many vertices are there, guys? In rectangle, how many vertices are there? In rectangle, how many vertices are there?
Four.
Very good. 4. So you can write there are 4 vertices. I show you how. Look at this one and this one. This is vertex 1, vertex 2. This corner is meeting here. This is the corner. This is also the corner, third corner, and this is our fourth corner. So there are 4 corner. That's mean there are 4 vertices. So we can say there are 4 sides of rectangle and there are 4 vertices in rectangle. There are 4 vertices in rectangle. Guys, in rectangle all the sides are equal? Please tell me. In rectangle all the sides equal? Look at the shape. Yes or no?
No.
No.
Yes.
No. Very good, guys. You can see the all sides are not equal. This is short and this is long. So these 2 sides are not equal. But guys, if you see in rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
No.
Opposite sides are equal. Look, this line, I mean this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So if you have this side, opposite of that side is this. So this side equal to this. Okay. So in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Do you get it, guys? In rectangle, opposite sides are?
I know.
Yes.
Yes.
In rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Equal.
Now, guys, I am going to ask you one question. Okay. Let's suppose if I ask you, I have 4 vertices. I have 4 vertices. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. Can you tell me who am I? Let's suppose, guys, I'm asking you a question. These are the hint. I have 4 vertices. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. Can you tell me who am I? Can you identify the shape, guys? Share your answer in the chat box. I have 4 vertices. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. Can you tell me who am I? Can you identify the shape, guys? Which shape is that? Rectangle, square, circle. Hamid Abdul Rahim Faris is saying square. Guys, participate in the chat room, please. Adam is saying rectangle. Whose mic is open? Let me ask you, let me unmute all of you and then I will ask. Yes, guys. Can you tell me the answer?
Rectangle. 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 Rectangle.
Guys, triangle you have not studied.
Rectangle, say rectangle.
Only you have 2 options. Square or rectangle. Square or rectangle. Only you have 2 options because you have studied only these 2 shapes. Is this square or rectangle?
Square.
It is rectangle. Why? Because this is saying my opposite sides are equal. Look here, in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. But in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Look here. All sides are not equal, only opposite sides are equal. So the question I ask you, this is not from your syllabus, this is not from your book, but it is to remind you that if you know what this is, if you know the properties of 2D shapes, then you will be able to identify it. If I ask you any figure and I give you the properties that how many vertices are there, I have 4 vertices, how many how many sides are there, and what is its property. Let's suppose if I say there are 4 sides, I have 4 sides, I have 4 corners, and my all sides are equal, then you will say, sir, it is a square, because in a square it is 4 side, it is having 4 side, it is having 4 vertices, and their all sides are equal. Okay, now we are going to study one more shape, and that is triangle. Look here, guys. This shape is known as triangle. This shape is known as triangle. Okay. It is known as triangle, guys. And you write triangle like this. This is triangle, guys. So now you have to check how many corners are there in triangle or how many sides are there in triangle. So Amal,
Yes.
Amal, can you tell me how many sides are there in triangle?
There are 3 sides.
Very good. Amal is saying there are 3 sides. He is absolutely right, guys. You know how? I will show you. This is the first side. This is the first side. This is the second one, and it is the third one. I can draw a line for you with the red one so that you can see its sides. Look here, guys. This is the first side of rectangle. This is one. The next one is this. This is another one. This is one, side 2, and it is having also one more side, and that is this one. So this is 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 sides of triangle. Okay, and there are how many corners are there in triangle, guys? How many corners are there in triangle?
3 sides.
There are
3. Very,
3 sides on the triangle.
very good. There are 3 corners. There are 3 corners. So you will write, sir, there are 3 corners or 3 vertices, I can say, in triangle. Now, guys, you have studied triangle, square, and triangle. Guys, you know, whenever you see around, everything is having a shape. Okay, let's suppose you are sitting in the room. If you're watching your cupboard, so your cupboard is having some shape, your door is having some shape, your table is having some shape, your bed is having some shape. Okay, so these are actually belongs to any of the shape. Okay, Let's talk about a rectangle. Okay, let's talk about rectangle. Uh, can you see anything in your room which is having the shape of rectangle? Share with me. Yes, I'm going to open the chat. Look around you. What thing you can find having the shape of rectangle? I am giving you one example. I am exactly sitting in front of my door, and my door is in the rectangle shape. Okay, the opposite sides are equal, so I can see my door. It is on the rectangle shape. Can you tell me some more things around you which you can find in rectangular shape? Yes, in your room. Can you find something which is in rectangle shape? Look around you. Yes. Table. Very good. Book is also a rectangle shape. Very good, Hamido. Yes, guys. I need more examples. Look around you and tell me which things you can find in a rectangular shape. Book or a table. Very good. Muhammad Farooq is also saying your book is also rectangular shape. Look at your cell phone. Look at your tablet. Look at your iPad. Which shape is that? iPad, cell phone, hmm? Even laptop, rectangle, door, very good. TV, LED, very good. Book, hmm, so many examples. Door, Muhammad Ashraf, phone, cell phone, bed, okay, good. TV, book, dark iPad, okay. Chocolate, very good. Book, very good. So guys, you have too many examples for a rectangle. As you see around, if you see your door, it's in the rectangular shape. If you see your window, so your window is almost rectangular shape. Some windows are on a square shape, some are on rectangular shape. If you see your cupboard, it is also a rectangular shape. If you see your table, it is also a rectangular shape. Your books, these all are rectangular shape. And cell phone, iPad, and all that. Okay. Can you tell me something you can look around you and that is in a square? Yes, guys. Can you find some square shape things in your room or around you? Share it with me. In a square shape. Have you seen a chessboard? Chessboard. Chessboard is in a square shape. Some windows are also in a square shape. Very good, Amal. And dice. If you look at the dice, so dice is also in a square shape, right? Yes, chessboard. If you play if you have seen a carom board, this is also in a square shape, right? All right. Electric socket. You can say electric socket. Very good. Carom board. Very good. Amal. Very good. Window. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Any other examples, guys? Ball? No. How ball? Ball is not a rectangle, and neither it is. Guys, now we are going to you are going to give me example for triangle. Okay, handkerchief. Very good. Handkerchief is a good example. Let's move to the third one, and that is triangle. Pillow. Pillow is not a square. Pillow normally in rectangular shape. Okay. Now you have to tell me, no face. You have to give me the examples for triangular shape. You have to give me the examples for triangular shape. You have to give me the example for triangular shape. Guys, I give you the example. One of you I gave you. If you have a pizza, a whole pizza, and you cut it into 8 or 7 pieces, so the pizza shape looks like a triangular shape. Okay, it looks like a triangular shape. Or uh, if you have some of the home, their roof is like a triangular shape. Okay, and all the precautions, they are written in triangular shapes. And if you see the hangers, mostly hangers are in triangular shape. And what we say, the boards which we use for traffic diversion, the police use that boards also for having the shape of triangle. So guys, do you understand now what is square, rectangle and triangle? Do you understand, guys?
Yes, yes, yes.
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 Very good, very good. Can you identify the shape of rectangle, square and triangle from different shapes? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Something triangle.
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. So you can identify different shape. You can identify square, triangle and rectangle from different shapes. And can you tell me how many vertices are there in triangle? How many vertices are there in triangle?
Three.
Good. Can you tell me how many sides are there in square?
Yeah. Four.
Four. Very good. And can you tell me how many vertices are there in square?
Three.
Okay, guys, very good. I think you got it. Now I'm going to ask one question, last question. And the question is, whiteboard in class. Whiteboard is the example of dash, square or rectangle. Yes, guys, whiteboard is the example of dash, square or rectangle. Rectangle. Oh, very good. Whiteboard is the example of rectangle because their sides, opposite sides are equal. Okay, guys, your class time is finished. I'll catch you inshallah into the next class. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Good night, day.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.